How to make private Facebook post. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to create a private Facebook post. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up facebook.com and I will open up my profile to show you guys some of the posts and then we'll make it private. To make a post private, you just have to select the post, maybe this one right here. So you can see this is a post on Facebook and I want to make it completely private so that no one can actually see it. For that, you have to click on these three dots and then you will get a lot of different options. You have edit post audience, then we have turn off translations, edit, download and others. So you have to click on edit post audience. And here we can change the privacy of the post. We have public, friends, friends accept, only specific, and then we have only me. You have to select only me and click on save. Now this post is completely private and you can see there is a log here, only me, and only I will be able to check this post. It is completely private now. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.